I've been growing my hair out for several years now. I've documented the journey and made hairstyling videos along the way. In today's video, we're going to revisit 3 of my favourite styles. I hope you enjoy, and I hope it inspires you to experiment with your hair. Before we get into it, Bluemon, who have kindly sponsored this video to celebrate their huge Black Friday sale, have been with me throughout my entire hair journey. By the end of this video, you'll know which products are my favourite, as well as how to best use them. So starting with the Leonardo DiCaprio inspired hairstyle, the top of my hair, or the fringe, fell down to my top lip, and the sides were literally 2 to 3 inches long. I start by applying only a few drops of hair oil. Bluemon's Cloud Control is a great option here. I then follow this up by applying a hair cream into damp hair to build a foundation to work with. Bluemon's Ascend Volume Cream provides the hair with a strong hold whilst remaining flexible, so that you can work with it and style it into place. It also has built-in heat protection, which is great, as we'll be using a blow dryer for each of these styles. Then using a fine tooth brush, we brush these products through our hair, ensuring even distribution, and then create an off-centered parting. At this point, you can allow the hair to air dry naturally by locking the parting into place using a headband, but in this case, we're going in with a blow dryer on a medium heat setting. With a little bit of patience throughout the blow drying process, you are now essentially equipped to achieve this hairstyle. To lock the style in place, you can go in with a finishing product. For this style, I highly recommend Monarch Matte Paste, which gives the hair an even share of grittiness and hold, which is the perfect combination to round this hairstyle off. As part of Bluemon's Black Friday sale, you'll get a mini Ascend Volume Cream with any order. Discount ranges from 20% off when you spend $20 or more, or 30% off when you spend $60 or more. So now is a great time to stock up on your favourites, or to give the products a try. Moving on to style number 2, grown out sides. I put this style together whilst I was in the earlier stages of growing out my hair. The hair measurements are on screen for you now. The great thing about this hairstyle is you can replicate it with shorter hair. If anything, you'll probably achieve a better result having slightly shorter hair. We start by applying 2 to 3 drops of Bluemon's Cloud Control into damp hair to begin our styling foundation. Then using a medium to wide brush, we're going to be choosing where we part our hair. For some people, the parting will sit best on the left side. For others, it will be the right side. This is a great opportunity to just have a play and figure it out for yourself. For this hairstyle, I used a hair mousse, which promotes that weightless volume we're aiming for. Once we've applied and evenly distributed our hair mousse, we're going in with the blow dryer. We're looking to keep the airflow flat and low whilst using the brush to assist the direction of hair. For example, here you see I'm really putting an emphasis on the hair above my ear, ensuring that it doesn't fall over my ear, but instead goes above and round. This is just to give the hairstyle a neat looking finish. Once we're done with the smaller side of the parting, we're repeating the same process, but with the larger part. To lock it into place, I used Hybrid Cream Clay by Bluemon, which is literally what it says on the tin. It's a hybrid between a cream and a clay, which is perfect for loose and flexible styles such as this one. I often get asked if I was to cut my hair, what length or style would I want to return to? And to be honest, I think it would be this one that you're seeing right now. And last but most certainly not least, the man bun. The man bun consists of tying all of your hair into, you guessed it, a bun using a hair tie. You'll need to wait a solid 8 to 12 months before you can begin experimenting with this style. The sweet spot is around 1 to 2 years, as you'll be able to experiment with the low, medium and high bun. Again, start by applying just a few drops of hair oil. Ascend Volume Cream goes in next for that built-in heat protection, but also to give the hair some body and texture so it doesn't just lay flat when we come to tying it. Brush your head downwards throughout the blow drying process and avoid using a high heat to prevent any unnecessary frizziness. Once your hair is around 90% dry, place your hair tie on your dominant wrist and cup the hair using the same hand. With your other hand, slide the tie off of your wrist onto the hair and loop it round twice or 3 times depending on preference. This will take time getting used to, but with some practice, you'll be able to execute the bun within literal seconds. It's a really cool style and easy to do once you've got the right amount of hair length. That brings this video to an end. Remember, the Bluemon Black Friday sale is now live. Click the link in the description to check out their full range. And if you're watching this after Black Friday, feel free to use code Luca for 10% off your total order. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.